Once upon a time, you could walk into a Dollar Tree and know that you would never have to ask the question, how much is this? Because you knew everything was $1. And then of course they went up to $1.25, but it was still consistent across the store. Now they have price scanners all around the store, and because there's no telling what something might cost, you have to check the price. It's like every other store, which is what has me wondering, is it worth going out of my way to shop at the Dollar Tree anymore? I'm not sure, but we're about to find out. Some of my all-time favorite items to shop for at Dollar Tree are baskets and other home organizing items, picture frames, mugs, contact paper, crafting supplies, kitchen and office supplies, seasonal decorations, and snacks, among other things. So we're gonna see if those items and some of my other favorites have remained at $1.25 or if they've gone up in price. And if they have gone up, we're gonna see if their price is still lower than their competitors or if we should just start shopping somewhere else. As a side note, I'm not checking on any items in the Dollar Tree Plus aisles, and I'll only be comparing with other stores' in-store products, not items that are only available through shipping. Now let's go. While Dollar Tree is transitioning to higher prices, you're gonna see these red dots on several items around the store, covering up the old price, which means you just have to check the shelf tags, the aisle signs, or scan the item for the price. So let's start with seasonal decor. At Dollar Tree, these items can go up to $1.50 now, and that's still cheaper than most stores where even small seasonal trinkets often start around $3 to $5. For autumn ribbon, Dollar Tree keeps it budget friendly, while Walmart's in-store fall offerings are pretty much non-existent. Their seasonal ribbons that are available to ship are priced low, but the shipping costs take it far out of range. Greeting cards are still one of Dollar Tree's hidden gems, and some are back to being 2 for $1, which I'm so happy about. And Hallmark cards are $1.25 each, but at Walmart you can find several Hallmark cards for as low as 98 cents. But they might not be marked in the store, so you will have to scan the barcode to check. If you don't care about the brand, Dollar Tree still wins here. Party supplies, tablecloths, plates, napkins, balloons, all still $1.25 at Dollar Tree. But at Walmart, you can find some balloons, tablecloths, favors, streamers, and more for $1 to $1.24. And the selection is different, but I would definitely lean toward going to Walmart for the party basics first. The solid colored gift bags that you might want to use for favors stayed $1.25, while the decorative gift bags crept up to $1.50. At Walmart, most of the printed bags started close to $2, but I did see some cute large bags that were less than $1.50. But Dollar Tree has way more to choose from at that price point. Wrapping paper stays at $1.25, which is much cheaper than Walmart, where rolls start closer to $3. Household and cleaning supplies. Now, here's where prices start to surprise me. Large bottles of detergent at Dollar Tree are $5. I took out my Walmart app and scanned the barcode to find that at Walmart, the price was $5.78 for the same product. So that's a win for Dollar Tree. Other cleaning basics like dish liquid are now $1.50, still reasonable, but not always cheaper than the Walmart Great Value brand, especially when you compare ounce for ounce. And since I love using Dawn dish liquid, I had to look this up. At $1.50 for 7.5 ounces, that's 20 cents per ounce. When I scanned the bottle on my Walmart app, the price they came up was an indication that this size bottle may only be available through a third-party seller, so I had to look it up manually. And the prices for Dawn dish liquid overall are also way better per ounce at Walmart. It's going to be hit and miss with the cleaning tools now being $1.50. For instance, this 2-pack of scrub sponges costs you 75 cents per sponge, but you can get a 4-pack and only pay 54 cents per sponge at Walmart. While this box of Brillo pads has you paying 18 cents per pad at Dollar Tree compared to Walmart's price of 27 cents per pad. So it's hard to tell who has the better deals overall on cleaning supplies. Office organization items and office supplies are mostly $1.25, except those red circle marked items that might have hit $1.50. But guys, you have to use that scanner, because even though these binder clips had this red dot, I went and checked the price and it turns out they are still $1.25. I'm not sure why the red dot was on there covering up the price, but that's why they have the price checkers. The poster board and foam board are standout savings. Dollar Tree's white poster board is 2 for $1 and the color poster board is $1 each. And that 20 by 30-inch foam board is $1.25 compared to Walmart's $2.97, which is a big win there, particularly if you've got kids who have to do projects. Wireframe baskets and trays, kitchen organization, and plastic storage bins are all up to $1.50 each. These 6-quart shoe boxes are $1.50 at Dollar Tree, but Walmart beats them on bulk. You can get a pack of 10 for $10.98, which is $1.09 each. And if you need just one, Walmart's single box is $1.28, which is cheaper than Dollar Tree now. But all is not lost because several home organization items remain at $1.25, including these cloth collapsible storage containers, these over-the-door hooks, and these vacuum bags, among other things. And for this size vacuum bag, you'll pay at least $3 anywhere else. All multi-pack self-adhesive and removable hooks at Dollar Tree are $1.50, while the Walmart brand Hyper Tough starts at just above $2. And 50 cents isn't huge, but when you buy these hooks in bulk like I do, that small difference really adds up. Picture frames, candles, and candle holders are still $1.25, and they're perfect for decorating and repurposing on a dime. In personal care, most bath soaps, shampoos, lotions, and shavers, cosmetics, toothpaste, and cough and cold relief products are still $1.25. Dollar Tree added some higher end brands recently, which can run up to $5 or even $6. But even then, some of those prices still undercut Walmart or other pharmacies. For example, this Advil 24 pack is $4.50 at Dollar Tree versus $4.99 at Target. But be careful when you're browsing the aisles because they have the lower priced items right near the higher priced stuff. And if you're not paying attention to the shelf tags, you could pick up a product that has a higher price and not realize it until you're at the register. So just keep checking those shelf tags. Other wellness items like Epsom salt, rubbing alcohol, cotton balls, cotton swabs, and bandages are reliably $1.25, which beats, again, most pharmacy prices. Hair styling tools are still $1.25, and that is a great price for these hair brushes, hair curlers, decorative hair clips, and claws. Now for the food and snacks. Brand name cookies like Oreos are $3.75 at Dollar Tree, which is a few cents less than Walmart's $3.96. But make sure when you're checking your Walmart app that you're looking for prices at the store where you shop, because when I looked at the price for the store in my area, these same Oreos were 60 cents cheaper than the price at the store one town over. Breyer's ice cream at Dollar Tree is $4.75, which is still competitive with most supermarkets where it'll be around $5.50. But at Walmart, the same size Breyer's is only $3.87, which is a real savings for this brand and a win for Walmart. Canned goods are trickier, also $1.25, which is a great price. At Walmart, Goya black beans are $1.42, and a 10-ounce can of this Campbell's chicken with rice soup is $1.92. So Dollar Tree wins there. But Walmart's price for Great Value and Del Monte veggies are under $1, which definitely beats Dollar Tree's price. Top Ramen is an inexpensive staple to keep in the pantry, and it's $1.50 for a 5-pack, making it 30 cents per pack. When I looked this up on my Walmart app, they didn't have this brand in the store, but the similar Maruchan brand was $3.97 for a pack of 12, which is 33 cents per pack. So you actually make out a little bit better grabbing these from the Dollar Tree. Spices are still one of the best buys at Dollar Tree. $1.25 for 5 ounces up to 16-ounce bottles. For those sizes, you're going to pay no less than $3 anywhere else. Foil is up to $1.75, and even though the final price is lower than Walmart's Reynolds Wrap, it's cheaper per square foot over there. And even though the Dollar Tree selection of foil pans is pretty large, you can get a variety of Mainstays multi-pack foil pans for just $1.48 at Walmart. So I would probably start at Walmart for the foil products and then come to Dollar Tree if I didn't see what I needed. I love Dollar Tree's collection of glassware, mugs, and dishes, and they're all up to $1.50 now, but they're still less than individual pieces at Walmart. And if you were to put together a 12-piece set, it would come out cheaper than buying a box set pretty much anywhere. These hefty food storage bags are $1.50, but you only get 5 in the box. That's 30 cents per bag. If this is an item that you use often, you definitely want to grab these for 12 cents per bag at Walmart. Same goes for the generic brand. You get more in the great value box for less money per bag. This area is cool if you have only $20 to spend and you just need to grab a few things to get you through the week. But for long-term savings and quality, you might want to steer clear of this section of Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree's collection of plastic food storage bowls with lids is so vast. There's so many options. And even though you could find some Rubbermaid multi-packs at Walmart that might come out to a little bit less per bowl, the variety of sizes and shapes still keeps Dollar Tree in the running for this department. Kitchen towels and oven mitts at $1.50 are still a fraction of Walmart's $3 to $5 prices. And contact paper is still $1.25, which is great for renters who want to update their kitchens or for those quick and simple repurpose projects. And thankfully, Dollar Tree's kitchen utensils and tools are also still $1.25. However, you can find some of these items for less over at Walmart. But again, Dollar Tree has items in this section that you won't find for the price elsewhere. So I would say if you're looking for a specific item, get on Google and do a little research before you head to the store. Paper products like facial tissue, paper towels, and napkins have all gone up to $1.50 at Dollar Tree. For the large boxes of generic facial tissue, you'll make out better at Dollar Tree, but for napkins and paper towels in terms of quantity and quality, Walmart's going to be your best bet. Foam plates, bowls, cups, trays, and plastic utensils are still holding at $1.25, and that's a win compared to Walmart, where even small packs of disposables usually run closer to $2 to $3. They're perfect for picnics and parties, definitely worth grabbing from Dollar Tree if you need them. Crafting supplies are still $1.25, and that is a competitive price when you compare some of these items to Walmart or Hobby Lobby. If you do small crafting projects here and there, then some of these small bottles of glue or Mod Podge are going to do for you. But if you are a frequent crafter, you would get a better deal with the larger bottles from Walmart. Calendars and planners at Dollar Tree are now $2, which is still a great price for a full-size calendar that comes with a little mini calendar. The planner pages have enough space to fill in your appointments, and some of the other calendars come with cute little notepads. You're just not going to find anything like these for less than $5 at Walmart. Toys at Dollar Tree are now $1.75, but Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars are still $1.25, which is a nice little win. They're perfect for party favors, stocking stuffers, or just keeping the kids entertained without blowing your budget. And at Walmart, most of the small toys start closer to $2, but they do have the Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars for just $1.18. So if you or the little ones like to collect these, then Walmart is going to be your first stop. Hardware has crept up to $1.50, but it's still a handy aisle for quick fixes, from super glue and Velcro to work gloves, paintbrushes, nails, tools, caulk, zip ties, and duct tape. Walmart's hardware and tools for the same quantities are usually around $3 to $5 or more, so Dollar Tree is great if you just need the basics on a budget. Electronics are also up to $1.50. That includes earbuds, light bulbs, and power strips, charging cables. They're not heavy duty, but they can be great as backups. Walmart's basic cables usually start around $4 to $5 for the same length. So Dollar Tree's price is definitely a steal if you just need a spare. Maybe don't expect them to last forever, although my Dollar Tree power strips are still going strong. Even with the 25-cent increase, these soft and cozy, cute and warm gloves, hats, and chenille socks are still a great buy from Dollar Tree. I have yet to find this many options at this price anywhere, and this is a great item to stock up on. It's getting colder. They're great to give as gifts. I have several of these pieces, and they have lasted me for many years. This is a definite victory for Dollar Tree. So after walking the aisles and checking prices, I've got to say that things at Dollar Tree are not as simple as they used to be. Some items are still a great deal, but others maybe it could be better. But if you've been feeling the same way, you are not by yourself. The big question is whether it's still worth making the trip. And honestly, I think it really depends on what you're shopping for. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you still loyal to Dollar Tree? Are you finding better deals elsewhere? Drop a comment below and let me know what's been worth it for you. And if you want more tips on stretching your budget and finding the best deals, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next upload. And I will see you next time. Bye.